everyone, in this video I'm gonna guide you through how you can easily turn off hints on Royal Match. If you want to turn off the hints while playing your Royal Match game, then it's quite easy. Simply go ahead and open your Royal Match application and make sure that you are inside this main home page. After you are in it, tap on the settings or the gear button at the top right hand corner, and then in the options displayed on the screen, you'll be able to see the hint option. Simply tap on it once in order to turn it off or on. If it shows an on indicator in green, it means that the hint is turned on your game. If you want to turn it off, make sure that it is toggled off, and you can see the blue button under the hint option, and it should also be labeled as off. Now after you make this change, you can now close this page by tapping the red cross icon at the top right, and that should be able to help you turn off hints in Royal Match. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with next video again. Thank you for watching.